The registration is very simple. I love this school. The registration is very, very simple. Once you have your document and you know what to do, you must secure your admission to study in Brazil this year. Okay. Here is another amazing school in Brazil with open application, and it's amazing. And I want you to do everything you can to submit your application. Okay. So when you open the link, I will be dropping, it will bring you here. So by the time you provide your CPF or you just need to register with the SIGA here. And when you finish the registration, which is very short, using your passport and some information about you, providing them, it will open here. All right, you will get to this page where you're going to see a lot of wonderful courses. And the good thing is the application is free. Okay, you're not going to pay anything to apply to this federal university. Okay, and yeah, ensure you change the language. Okay, you see where I entered there. Always use your laptop to do registration. Don't try to use your phone. Okay, so change it to English so you'll be able to read and know very well what you are doing. So you can see different courses, MSc, PhD. All right, amazing courses here. And I just want you to do everything you can to make sure you submit your application. All right, do not waste time. Ensure you watch this video to the end, as I'll be giving you tips and guidance on how to do it. If you skip any part of this video, don't come back to me asking questions, because that's usual of some of you. So after you open actually you won't come to this page without signing up with the cigar of this school. Okay, so you have to sign up, and by the time you do that, the signing up actually is easy. Okay, it's not something difficult. All right, so search for your course. Take time to look at the courses, or any course rather, that is familiar with you, either your first degree or something you can do with your first degree. Yeah, can you see? Anywhere you see this green color, all right, all this letter right hand side written in green color, it actually means the course is open for application. And the reason why I'm sharing this video is because some of these courses are going to end very soon. So you do well to watch this video to the end, see what I will be doing so you can get your documents and do the registration. The registration is very simple. I love this school. The registration is very, very simple. Once you have your document and you know what to do, and already for those of you that have been following me, you know what to do. All right, you know what to do. I've been sharing over and over again. Okay, so I will repeat myself by telling you again here. Always study the editor before you start any application. So even when you get to this page, after you've seen your course, the next thing to look for is the editor. So you can see these other courses that are not written in blue letter. All right, the dates, not in blue letter, in green color rather. Yeah, just know that they are over. Okay, and if you check the date, you will discover that some just closed yesterday. I didn't get this link on time. You know I love you guys and always give you the best each time I see link like this. Some don't want me to share. They say, oh, why are you sharing these things? Even just give them the link. If you want to help them, let them apply. Why do you need to explain to them how to do it? I said, well, I'm the one doing it, so I'll continue to help as many people as I can help. If the country have given us an opportunity to come and study, I think there is nothing wrong in sharing information. Okay, so let's pick one year. So when you look at where I'm clicking, all right, that's the best way to click. So we are clicking, let it open. Make sure you click that place, okay, for it to open. And what are we looking for now? We are looking for the editor. So if it brings you here, just click for anytime you see anything stricto sensu, anytime you see selection process, click it, but know what you are looking for. All right, you know, when you know what you are looking for, you won't struggle. Some of you don't really know what you want. You don't know what you are looking for. What you are looking for now is the application page and the editor. If are the editor first, all right, so we need to download the editor. So I actually know where to go. I'm actually showing you this because some of you always complain, I'm not seeing it, I'm not seeing it. All right, so you can click another tab and it will bring you here, but no, look at where I'm clicking. Can you see where I click? Now see what is going to bring you here. Now here is where we get the editor and the registration page. Okay, you can check the date. This course is currently open. Now you can see that's where you will get the editor. Ensure it is in English. If it's not in English, always translate. And if you translate there, it's not working, come and refresh. All right. You don't understand Portuguese now, so make sure you translate the page so you can flow well. Otherwise, you will keep having errors. Okay. So let's refresh it until we have in English. So you can see where I click there. This is the application page. And this is where you are going to be submitting your application. However, I don't want this video to be long, so I will not be going to the editor analysis with you. Remember, I use PayPal. All right, it's a very good tool you can use to analyze your editor to know what you need. So the first page there, you can see, ensure you provide every document. You are not in Brazil, so you don't have CPL, so don't bother about that. So click where I'm clicking there. Can you see, as a foreigner? So when you click it, this form will not ask you any question that has to do with a Brazilian or someone in Brazil. So ensure it's always in English, okay, so you can read very well. So take your time to read the yellow part there so you can know words. Now, the next thing now, this form is now for foreigners. So every information here you are going to provide, okay? You can see, ensure you read the editor. Again, I'm warning you guys, read the editor, study the editor before you come to do what I'm doing here, okay? Don't fill this form without the editor. I will show you an example now, and you will see that there is no way you would have known what to do except you have read the editor. So let's keep watching. I will show you. All right. So that's how to choose. If you are single, you are not married, okay, you are divorced. All right. Just pick one there, and just follow me. You can see what I'm doing, filling the form. I'm actually doing this now because I have read the editor. Again, I'm telling you, don't fill this form without reading the editor. Okay. So let's continue filling, and I will show you something now. All right. Uh, by the time you read the editor, you will know all the documents you have to upload, all the annexes. All right. There are annexes that has been provided in the editor. You can extract, fill, which you are going to be uploading here. All right. For example, the application form, I think that's the annex one. All right. So you have to know how to get it out. You have to extract it using your PDF tool. So here is uh, application. You can see different countries. So you look for yours, okay? You look for yours and you select and you click. See, don't joke with this. I'm so happy that many people who have been watching my video are already in Brazil, and not less than 7 from my group will be entering Brazil before the month of March. They're already in their various countries applying for their visa, okay? And some of them did this thing themselves by watching my videos. So you do well to get this thing done, all right? So you fill the form. Now, there's something I want to tell you, right? The fact that you are watching this video, that does not mean that's the same thing you will meet when you open your course. You can see the various form we submitted there. But let me show you a course here that only if a page was provided for us, uh, provided to upload all the forms. So if you've not read the editor, you actually upload the wrong form there. So let's open a course here. By the time I'm doing this, by the time I am recording this video, this particular course is open, and I actually took my time to read through the editor. Heritage, yeah, society and heritage, yeah, heritage sciences. So now you're going to see now that in this place, you have only one space to upload all your documents. So if you've not read the editor, you're going to upload the wrong document. All right, so I'm going to be showing you. Remember the first one we opened earlier, we have about up to about 6 places to upload. Now check now, let's open the form. That's where you will get the editor. But we're not getting the editor. I've already downloaded it, and we're not analyzing it today because, but we're not getting the editor. I've already downloaded it, and we're not analyzing it today because you do the same thing again. Show them you're a foreigner. Then when you fill the form, now look at this form for this particular program. All right, something heritage. Okay. Now you're going to see as we move down after you fill the form. Can you see that there is only one space for you to upload your document? And by the time you read there, it's looking like, can you see, just only one space. And some of you, if you've not read the editor, you see what is there, you're going to upload the wrong form, and that's how your application will be rejected. So this place, what you're actually going to do is you are going to merge all your documents that are required of you in the editor, and you're going to upload everything here, everything. So please be careful, read the editor, submit your application without delay. You're not paying anything. And if you, as you read the editor, if the school is asking you to get a letter from a supervisor, yeah, please get the letter from the supervisor and submit your application. All right. I wish you success. Don't be lazy. Put in the work. I'm actually helping you guys to achieve your dream. Let's rejoice together, okay? Put in the work, submit your application. And if you have any question, drop them in the comments. I promise to get back to you. Subscribe to my channel and ciao, ciao.